Welcome to on the first day of creation. Why did it take 24 hours to make light? David writes, "By the word of the Lord were the heavens made, and all the host of them by the breath of his mouth. For he spake, and it was done. He commanded, and it stood fast." We all know it doesn't take 24 hours to say, "Let there be light." But God then divided the light from the darkness. The sun and the moon are 3 days away. The whole natural world is an interpreter of the things of God. To Adam and Eve in their Eden home, nature was full of the knowledge of God, teeming with divine instruction. Wisdom spoke to the eye and was received into the heart, for they communed with God in his created works. The mysteries of light and sound, of day and night, all were objects of study. So, how complex is light? Well, light is waves and electromagnetic radiation. As the waves shorten, so does the energy increase. As they lengthen, the energy is weaker. We've got gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, and hey, just a fraction is visible light. Then there's infrared, radio waves, radar, TV, and the rest of it. It is also quantum particles. Particles are made up of atoms. They're not very big. We once believed these were the smallest unit, but now there are protons and quarks. They're small. Quarks, arranged differently, have different uses. There's the proton and a neutron. Look at the difference in charges. One's positive, the other's neutral. Photons come from the electrons around the nucleus of the atom, and they're emitted from the electrons. Photons are light, by definition, energy and wavelength, also described as quantum particles. Photons observed as particles and waves simultaneously. We got Albert Einstein to thank for this one. All light, visible or non-visible, travels at the same speed, 300,000 kilometers per second. And that's the fastest speed known to man. Are we starting to see how light is complex? And we haven't even looked at dividing it. Jesus is the light of the world, the creator of light. And he said, "Let there be light." So the next time you read in Genesis chapter 1 and verse 3, "And God said, let there be light, and there was light," spare a thought for what is behind the words. God bless you, friend.